we will learn one important word, word, momentum. So momentum is very much needed to get into the second law. Let us understand what is momentum. Momentum, one more word for momentum is an impact. Impact is also known as momentum. Okay. So what is impact and what is this momentum? In simple we will see. It depends on two factors. The momentum or the impact, momentum, let us use the word momentum. The momentum depends on two factors. One is mass, the other one is velocity. Two factors, one is mass, one is velocity, right? So now, example, is firing a bullet towards a wall, right? See, there is a wall and he is a person, he is firing the bullet into the wall. Let us see from here. Okay, so then what happened? The bullet comes and hits the wall and there is a hole also, right? So this is let's keep it in your mind. Let us go to next step. The bullet will penetrate into the wall, right? It goes into the wall little, and this is because the velocity of the bullet is more, therefore momentum is more, that's why it went into the wall. Let us take one more example. If you take the same bullet, you can take it outside and you can keep it and throw it. I have taken the bullet and throw it to the wall. So then what happens? See, the boy thrown the bullet to the wall and it hits the wall and it fell down. What will happen? The bullet did not go into the wall, it did not penetrate. Okay? So because in both the cases the velocity of the bullet matters. In both the cases mass is same, bullet mass is same, whatever 10 grams 20 grams will be there, the mass is same, but in both the cases velocity is very much different. From the gun with a high velocity you can't see even the bullet, it goes very fast, whereas when it is thrown by a person, the speed, the velocity is less. So the momentum depends on velocity, right? So let us see what happens. One more example, again a wall and again a cyclist. A cycle is moving with a velocity 40 meters and hits the wall. Okay, so then what happens? Will the wall break? His speed is 40. No. So then a truck moving with a velocity of 40 meters per second, so and it hits the wall, then what happens? Will it break? Of course, yes. So in both the cases, what is the mass of the truck is more than the cyclist. Mass of the truck heavy. So the effect of one object striking another depending on mass of the former object. In both the cases velocity is same but mass is different. So what happened? It broke the wall. That is why momentum depends on two things. One is mass, the other one is velocity. So let us have a definition, beautiful definition. Usually momentum is denoted with the letter P. F, force F, okay, initial velocity U, final velocity V, like that letters are already used. So now for momentum, the letter is P. So now it is the product of its mass and velocity. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity. This is the definition of momentum. So let us see. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity, right? It is a quantity. Mass is measured, velocity is measured, therefore momentum also will be measured. So P is equal to mv. So what is this velocity? Velocity may be initial velocity or final velocity, that we will see in coming videos, right? So P is equal to mv is the equation for momentum, right? Let us see. Momentum is a vector quantity, and it has both magnitude and direction. It has both magnitude and direction. So let us know little more about momentum, because definition is over, equation is over. The next one is unit. Let us say unit. Unit comes, I told you, unit comes from the equation. So P is equal to mv. Let us understand the unit of momentum. So we know the unit of mass and we know the unit of velocity. So let us see SI system or MKS system. In MKS system, what happens? The unit of P will become, mass unit is kilogram and velocity unit is meters per second. So now total unit is kg meter per second is the unit of momentum in MKS system. Let us see in CJ system also. Gram centimeter per second is the unit of momentum in CGS system. This is about the momentum. See you in my next video.